Changing a tire on your Tesla Model Y is doable, but requires care. This video breaks down the process for DIYers. We'll cover safe jacking, wheel removal, and installation, focusing on Model Y specifics. But remember, Tesla recommends professional service for a reason. Consider your comfort level and tools before proceeding. We will be using manufacturer-specific tools. Safety first, preparing your Tesla and workspace. Before starting, park on a level surface away from traffic. Engage the parking brake and turn the car completely off via the touchscreen. Tesla's parking brake is applied through the central display screen within settings. Gather your tools: the Tesla-provided jack, lug wrench, and your spare tire or tire repair kit. Ensure you have gloves and wheel wedges. These simple steps prevent accidents and injury. The Tesla Model Y requires precise jacking points due to its electric vehicle design, which includes a large battery pack and reinforced structures. Using the wrong points can cause serious damage to these components. Jack points are located on the reinforced sections of the rocker panels, positioned near each wheel. These areas are designed to support the vehicle's weight safely. The diagram shows the high-voltage battery in blue and safe lift areas in pink. For exact jack point locations, consult your Tesla's digital manual through the touchscreen. Navigate to the service menu to view animated diagrams that guide you to the correct reinforced sections. Never attempt to jack from the battery area, which is shown in blue on the diagram, or from suspension components. Doing so risks damaging the vehicle's structure, battery, or electrical systems, potentially leading to costly repairs. Always use the correct jack points to ensure safe and damage-free tire changes on your Tesla Model Y. Begin by positioning Tesla's jack under the correct jack point. Ensure the jack is stable and properly aligned with the vehicle's frame. This step is crucial to prevent any damage to the underbody or battery components. Next, make sure to extend the screw on the Tesla jack properly. This extends the reach and prepares the jack for lifting. Tesla's scissor jack is specifically designed for this purpose and includes safety features. Now, place the jack head directly into the correct jacking point. These points are reinforced areas on the Model Y's frame, clearly marked for safety. Incorrect placement can cause damage, so always verify the location. Slowly raise the vehicle using the jack until the tire is completely off the ground. This gradual process prevents sudden movements that could stress the frame. Double-check the stability of the jack and vehicle at all times. Wheel removal begins before fully jacking up the Tesla Model Y. First, use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire by turning them counterclockwise. Important: do not remove the lug nuts completely at this stage. Just loosen them while the wheel is still on the ground. After the Tesla is safely jacked up and the wheel is off the ground, fully unscrew the lug nuts and carefully remove the wheel. Keep all lug nuts together in a safe place during the change to avoid losing them. Remember, Tesla Model Y uses specific lug nut designs for optimal fit. Remember, loosening the lug nuts before jacking makes the process much easier and safer, especially for the Tesla Model Y's electric vehicle design. Begin by mounting the spare tire onto the wheel hub. Carefully align the bolt holes in the wheel with the studs on the hub to ensure proper fit. Hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure distribution. This means tightening opposite nuts first, then moving to adjacent ones. Do not fully tighten them yet, just make them snug by hand. Before proceeding, ensure the wheel sits flush against the hub. The tire should be securely mounted and aligned properly. Begin by carefully lowering the vehicle using the jack until the spare tire just touches the ground, but keep most of the weight supported to safely access the lug nuts. Now, use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to Tesla's specified torque of 100 to 120 foot-pounds, which is 135 to 160 newton-meters, following a star pattern for even tightening. Lower the vehicle completely back to the ground, then perform a final torque check to ensure all lug nuts are properly tightened. Remember, over-tightening can damage the studs and warp your brake rotors. After installing the spare tire, check its air pressure using a tire pressure gauge. The recommended pressure for standard Tesla Model Y tires is 42 to 45 psi. Remove the valve cap, Press the gauge onto the valve stem and read the measurement. Adjust pressure if needed using an air compressor. Before driving, carefully inspect around all four wheels to ensure no tools, lug nuts, or debris have been left behind. This is crucial for safety and to prevent damage to the vehicle. Inspect the removed tire for damage such as cracks, bulges, or excessive wear. If you see significant damage, have it professionally evaluated before reuse. This helps prevent future safety issues. Consider having a professional check the wheel alignment. Misalignment can cause uneven tire wear and affect handling. Tesla recommends this after any tire change to ensure optimal performance and safety. Securely stow the flat tire and all tools in the trunk. Ensure everything is properly secured to prevent movement while driving. This completes the immediate tire change process. For long-term safety, replace the spare tire with a new one as soon as possible. Also, have any damage to your original wheel professionally repaired. Regular maintenance ensures your Tesla Model Y remains safe and reliable.